Howdy folks, this is Kicker Jim here at Guaranty RV Super Centers. I've got a 2019 Bighorn 32 RS to show you today. Let's go inside. Okay, inside here we got a 15 cubic foot residential refrigerator. We've got great big cabinets up here for storage. You got a control panel here. A great big stainless steel sink. Some nice boards here for kitchen space. We got a 3-burner stove, oven, big stainless steel microwave, storage up there, over here, a 50-inch TV, more storage. You got a fireplace. You got a DVD player here that'll play music and stream music over the internet if you want to do that. Storage in this area. Got a nice big couch that makes it into a bed. You got a heated massage chair. This is awesome. You got a ceiling fan up here. You got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. You got some cool shades here if you want to block out all the sun. You got a table extender here. Goes away there. Over here we got some hidden compartments under the seat if you want to put some things in that area. We got a central vacuum cleaner. That's neat. This is an unusual type of a door. Spins around like that. You got a nice bathroom in there. In here we got a king-size bed with lots of storage under here. We got some extra chairs out there for the dinette. You got a little control for the air conditioner or the heat. Just push a button up or down. You got a nice little table right here. You can put some things on here and 6 of these big drawers here. In this area, you got an area here for a television to slide out here so you can watch it from bed. It's not always set up here, but we can put a TV in there and you can watch it from bed. In here it's set up for a washer and dryer. Lots of room for storage if you don't want to use that. Got an LED light in there. A large wardrobe closet in there. You got some USB ports on the side of each bed with some little stands so you can put your phone or whatever you need to put on there. You got some speakers in here. It's ducted for the air conditioning. You got a directional antenna up there. You aim that where you want to go for best reception. Out here we got a 6-point hydraulic leveling system with one-touch remote. You got a huge storage area here for your belongings with some lights in here. You got a magnet up here to hold that open so that doesn't break. Nice slam shut. One propane tank here. You got a great big awning that comes out here with some outdoor speakers and a 110 outlet. More area for storage. If you did want to have a generator, that could be put in there. It comes with 2 batteries that are going to be brand new. You got the auto leveling button right here. It's all wired up for solar panel. More propane. The other side of the storage, you have your hookups here where you hook your water up. You got an outdoor shower, satellite TV, your handles for your gray tank, black tank. You got some winterization buttons here, and your hose goes up there to keep it all in there. You got some lights, 110 outlet. Another slide. Here's where you hook up to your power at an RV park. You got a nice ladder here to get up there on your roof, check your roof, make sure it's all serviced. Okay, if you got any questions about this unit or any of the other units that we have here at Guaranty, you can give me a call. Again, this is Kicker Jim at 541-787-0348, and I'm here to kick those high prices out of here. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.